cattle. Cattle, often referred to as cows, are domesticated bovine animals primarily raised for their meat, beef, and milk. They belong to the Bovidae family and are one of the most important livestock animals in agriculture worldwide. Here are some key points about cattle. Number 1. Species and breeds. The term cattle encompasses both male and female members of the species Bos taurus, commonly known as European cattle or taurine cattle, and Bos indicus, commonly known as zebu or indicine cattle. There are numerous breeds of cattle, each with specific characteristics, such as Angus, Hereford, Holstein, Brahman, and many others. Number 2. Meat production. Beef cattle. Beef cattle are raised primarily for their meat. They are usually bred for optimal muscle development and growth. The beef industry plays a significant role in providing meat for human consumption and various byproducts like leather and gelatin. Number 3. Milk production. Dairy cattle. Dairy cattle are specifically bred for high milk production. These cows provide a consistent supply of milk, which is a valuable source of nutrition for humans and used to produce various dairy products like milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter. Number 4. Habitat and husbandry. Cattle are commonly raised in farms and ranches. They are kept in barns, pastures, or feedlots, depending on the production system. Proper husbandry practices include providing appropriate food, water, shelter, and veterinary care to ensure the well-being of the animals. Number 5. Ruminant digestion. Cattle are ruminant animals, meaning they have a four-chambered stomach. This specialized digestive system allows them to efficiently digest plant material through a process of fermentation and regurgitation called chewing. Number 6. Economic importance. Cattle farming has a significant economic impact on many countries. It contributes to food security, employment, and rural livelihoods. Beef and dairy products are major commodities traded globally. Number 7. Environmental impact. Large-scale cattle farming can have environmental implications, particularly concerning deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, methane, and water usage. Sustainable practices, such as rotational grazing and improved feed efficiency, are being promoted to reduce the environmental footprint of cattle production. Number 8. Social and cultural significance. Cattle have been an essential part of human history and culture for thousands of years. They play a role in various traditions, festivals, and rituals in different societies. Number 9. Challenges. Cattle farming faces challenges related to animal health, disease control, ethical concerns about animal welfare, and the demand for more sustainable and environmentally friendly production methods. Cattle, like all living organisms, face various biological challenges throughout their lives. Some of the significant biological challenges for cattle include: Number 1. Reproduction and breeding. Cattle reproduction can be complex, and ensuring successful breeding and calving requires careful management. Challenges include maintaining reproductive health, detecting stress, heat accurately, addressing fertility issues, and minimizing calving difficulties. Number 2. Disease and health management. Cattle are susceptible to various infectious and non-infectious diseases that can impact their health and productivity. Common diseases include respiratory infections, gastrointestinal disorders, and reproductive issues. Effective health management, vaccination programs, and biosecurity measures are essential to prevent and control diseases. Number 3. Nutrition and feed management. Providing balanced nutrition is critical for the overall health, growth, and production of cattle. Challenges include formulating appropriate diets, ensuring access to quality forage and feed, and addressing nutritional deficiencies or excesses. Number 4. Parasites and pest control. Internal and external parasites, such as worms, ticks, and flies, can affect cattle health and productivity. Parasite control strategies need to be implemented to reduce the negative impact of these pests. Number 5. Stress and environmental adaptation. Cattle need to adapt to various environmental conditions, including temperature fluctuations, humidity, and extreme weather events. Environmental stress can affect their well-being and performance. Number 6. Genetic improvement. Selective breeding and genetic improvement play a vital role in enhancing desirable traits in cattle, such as growth rate, disease resistance, and milk production. However, balancing genetic progress with maintaining genetic diversity can be a challenge. Number 7. Mastitis in dairy cattle. Mastitis is a common udder infection in dairy cattle, caused by bacteria entering the teat canal. It can lead to reduced milk production and affect milk quality. Number 8. Metabolic disorders. Cattle can suffer from various metabolic disorders, such as ketosis and acidosis, which often arise from imbalances in their diet or management practices. Number 9. Heat stress. Cattle are susceptible to heat stress, especially in hot and humid environments. Elevated temperatures can lead to reduced feed intake, weight loss, and decreased milk production. Number 10. Transportation and handling stress. Moving and handling cattle can be stressful for them, which may lead to injuries, reduced weight gain, or other health issues.